Everyone is a boy tech card. So today I'm going to show you how you can change your permission. Like when I say change permission, I'm talking about changing the permission of a particular folder. Now when you try to install some script on your website, you discover that you need to change the permission. Now the easiest and simple way to do that is, first of all, this is only applicable when you have a hosting and also have a cpanel. So your cpanel comes with your hosting. So a shared hosting by default should come with a cpanel. So now, if you don't have a hosting account, head over to gmdesigndomain.com and get your own hosting account and also get your domain. It's actually very, very affordable. I'm going to drop the link in the description below. Now, the next thing is you need to have an account. This is going to be your dashboard. So you're going to scroll down. You can see how much it costs. Very, very affordable, like I said, which is just a year, $12 a year. Now you log into your cpanel. You can manage everything you want to manage from here. So now you will log in. Now this is your cpanel dashboard. Now you can change the theme on the cpanel if you want to, but you don't really need to. So let's say I click paper line for now. By default is going to change, but I'm not focused on that right now. So let's let it just change and this just started. Yeah. All right, so this is what you're going to do. Now you're going to scroll down to your cpanel dashboard. You're going to locate file manager over here. Now you're going to click on file manager and take it to this place. Now file manager, this is your file manager. What you're going to click next is public underscore HTML. Now once you click public underscore HTML, you're going to be taken to, you're going to see folders. These are the folders. So now the first thing you need to do is you're going to click on it, then you're going to right click on it. And I don't see change permission. So once you click change permission, you're going to see, let's say you want to change it to, look at this. This is the permission by default 755. So now I want to change it to 775. You're just going to click on just this over here. You can see the number changes and you click change permission. Now if you want to change the permission to 757, just click on this change permission. Please take note that anything you change will affect the performance of what you want it to do. So make sure you follow the instructions that's given to you by when you're installing the script, and also make sure you maybe snap or take a screenshot before you make changes, because you won't scatter anything at all. So now, like I said earlier on, you just click this, you click change permission. Then you want to change, just click change permission. Once I click change permission, I just need to do this, and because I've already changed permission, it's going to be 775. It has given me error because of my session has expired. So let me just quickly connect. Now once I click change permission, you're going to see that that changed 775. So now to put it to 777, that's it, just changes. This is by default, so don't do anything, but in case you told to change your permission 775 or 757, that's how to do it. Just reload and everything would go back. It would save by itself once you reload, like, as easy as that. So now I want to change permission 775 or 757. So that's just how to do it. Now, if you got value from this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget to like my videos, and also you can reach out to me if you need any website. And yeah, reach out to me on WhatsApp. Also, drop comment video if you have any question or you need something from me. So